Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed, and in this lecture I am going to use Switchboard Manager in MS Access. In order to learn Switchboard Manager, we need to come in Naveed Place menu, and here we have Switchboard Manager. Definitely we can create our own menu. So definitely how we can make our own, definitely we'll see now. In order to make our own menu, what we do, we'll come, or this is called ribbon. Okay, so what we do, we'll come in file, and here we have options. So definitely we'll click on options, and here as I click on option, as you can see that now we have window, and here we definitely will click on customize ribbon. And definitely if we want to make our own, you can say ribbon. So what we do is simply click on new tab, or you can say new group. Definitely new tab, we say this is a menu, and we can also rename this menu as well. In order to rename this, what I do, I simply click on rename, and I say here tutorials, tutori, tutorials. Okay, and as you can see that now we have a menu or ribbon is called tutorials, and inside this menu or inside this ribbon, what we will put Switch Manager. So in order to find Switch Manager, what we do is simply click on this popular commands, and we say that all you can say all tabs. So all tabs, or you can say that all commands. Okay, and definitely we press S and you find Switch Manager. So definitely find Switch Manager, where Switch Manager, Switch Manager, Switch Manager, and here we have Switch Manager. Okay, so definitely here we have Switch Manager. So in order to get this, what I do, I simply click on the Switch Manager, and I will click on add, and as I click on add, as you can see that now we have a Switch Manager. And after this, what I do, I simply click on OK, and as you can see that now we have menu or ribbon called tutorials. Inside this menu or ribbon, what do we have? We have Switchboard Manager. Okay, so what is the work of Switchboard Manager? I told you that how to make our own ribbon, but what is the work? Actually, the work of the Switch Manager is that, for example, if you have more than one forms, or you can say, for example, if you have, as right now I have this form. Okay, so for example, if I'm making the database for our company, so definitely I may have more than one form. So in order to open all this form, if I don't have Switchboard Manager, so I will have to go and I have to open all these forms one by one. But if I have Switchboard Manager, so by one click, that form will be open for me. So how can we use Switchboard Manager? We will see now properly. So definitely we will click on Switchboard Manager, and definitely here is saying that you don't have Switchboard Manager yet. Would you like to create one? I say yes, I want to. So I will click on yes, and as you can see that now we have Switchboard Manager, and I will click on edit, and here we have to give the name to our Switchboard Manager. So I say that the name of Switch Manager is. After giving the name, I will click on new, and definitely I will say here we have to give the command. So I say to go to Switch Manager. No, what I do, I simply click on this drop down, and here we have this commands. So what do you want? I say open form in add mode, or open form in edit mode. What is mean add mode? That it will be open in the add mode. If I say the edit mode, so it will be open in the edit mode. So if, let's suppose, if you want to open a report or design application, or if you want to exit this application, or if you want to run macro or run code, definitely you can do many things. So to do, I simply say that open form in edit mode, and definitely which form? I say that this is the form, because here the form name is table1. So I say this form, and after that I will click on OK, and definitely I will click on close, and definitely we are not able to see our you can switchboard. So we'll click on custom, definitely object tab. Here we have object tab, and definitely we'll click on custom. So as you can see that now we have Switchboard Manager, switchboard. So what I do, I simply double click on it, and as you can see that now we have switchboard named Naveed. And in order to use this, what I do, I simply click on this, and as you can see that now we have open you can say a tab, or you can say one form in the edit mode. Getting me? So it is very useful. For example, if you have more than one form, so with the help of Switchboard Manager, you can say you can open more than one form. For example, if you want to open this form, so you don't need to do anything. You need to just simply click on it, and definitely you can say that form will be open for you. Getting me? So in this lecture, what did we learn? We learned switchboard. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah Hafiz fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.